Hey y'all, I am just messing around today. I have had this Alesis D4 for a very long time. I don't know how many projects I've used it in, but I actually used this module in another video when I made my automatic Birdman machine that was an algorithmic drummer made in PD. This is an old 1991 Rompler drum module, but what I've been messing around with today is I've actually now got my DrumBrute Impact here set up to be a MIDI sequencer for the Alesis D4. So all that's happening here is the MIDI output from the DrumBrute Impact is going into my MioXL there, which is this is just a MIDI interface. I have the D4 plugged in the back, and I had to do a little bit of tweaking to get these drums to be mapped to the more standard MIDI drum set notes. I did that in the DrumBrute app. And then in the MioXL Oracle software, I just said, hey, send the DrumBrute to the D4. So, kick, snare, clap, high tom, low tom, cymbal, cowbell, closed hi-hat, open hi-hat. I didn't really do the FM drum. There's not really an equivalent to that. Now, of course, there are different drum sets in here. So if I set this to, I don't know, the ballad set, as opposed to ambient rock. But you know, what's neat about this, as well as it now being an interface for this, is I can set up one of my patterns and then just play through. Let's check out and compare some of these drum sets. All right, so is this musically useful? Who knows? But it's fun to get a 20-teens drum machine talking to a 1991 drum synth. I'm gonna have some fun playing with this. I hope this was interesting. That's all I got for today.